Ladies, are you tired of spending so much time washing your makeup brushes and then waiting even longer for them to dry before you can use them? Well, wait no longer, because STYLPRO is here.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! It is 2018 and I am so excited for what this year has in store for me and for you guys as well. Let me know down in the comment section what are your resolutions if you have any. I don't have any this year. I usually make them and don't keep them. And I'm just gonna go with the flow for this year and hope for the best. So today's video is going to be an unboxing and first impressions and also a step-by-step guide of the STYLPRO. So if you have not heard about the STYLPRO brush cleaner, then where have you been? I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm waiting to hear where you've been because it's been everywhere. So I got it for my birthday last month. My partner bought it for me and I really wanted to use it, but I thought no, just wait until you have the time to record and show your actual first impressions of it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. As a matter of fact, I'll wait for you. Just hit the subscribe button now. Yeah, just down there. Yeah. Okay. I think I heard the click. Thank you for subscribing. Right, so without further ado and enough jibber jabbering, I'm going to get on with the video. So this is the STYLPRO box, and then inside the box we have 2 sachets of makeup brush cleaner, and we also have the STYLPRO device, and that's where the batteries are kept. And then this is the cylinder that you insert into the STYLPRO device. Then opening the box, you see the instruction manual, which makes it really easy because it's got pictures. So this is the color stand where all the silicone colors live. And then we have the plastic bowl, which is unbreakable. And we also have the shield and splash guard as well. And these are the 8 flexible silicone collars that fits all brushes. And I just gave you a quick overview of all that's in the box. These are my brushes. I know they don't look that dirty, but they really are, and you'll see in a bit. So here I'm taking one of the silicone collars and I'm just fitting on the attachment spindle. And then I'm just taking my brush and attaching that to it. And then I'm attaching the STYLPRO device to the attachment spindle. So this is the makeup brush cleanser. I tried to open it with my hand, but no luck, so I used the scissors. And I just poured a little bit in. And they recommend that you make the bristles as wet as possible with the solution. And then you spin it for 10 seconds. And then you lift it out of the solution and spin for a further 10 seconds to dry. And it is so clean. Look at that. Excuse the sellotape, guys, the struggle is real. And so I did it again with a bigger brush just to show you. This is the brush that I use for my powders. So again, I dipped it in the solution to get the bristles wet. And then I spun it for 10 seconds in it and then 10 seconds out of it to dry it. Look at how dirty my brush is and how cheap my brush is because all the bristles are coming off. Look at all that chocolate, guys. So I tried to see if water alone could clean it, but no luck. And I also thought I would test it with my eyeshadow brushes as well, and it worked amazingly for those two. No surprises there. And now back to me for my final verdict. I think it was amazing at cleaning my brushes. Be prepared for how powerful it is. It's just like, ah! It was literally like jerking me. So I had to like kind of try and control myself with it. So it's really, really powerful. So be aware of that. Also, I'm so glad they provided you with batteries, because I went to film and realized that I didn't have any batteries, and so I was searching my house for batteries, found some, and then opened the hand part where the batteries held and realized that there was batteries in there, and I just literally smiled. I was like, oh god, thank goodness. Also, I guess it's just a sample that they give you in the box of the makeup brush cleanser liquid for it, because it is literally so little. So I'm gonna have to go out and buy some more, because the amount they gave me wasn't enough for my brushes properly. I did do my brushes, but I did the brushes in the same water, which probably didn't really help that much, but it was still clean at the end anyway. As you've seen, it was really, really, really good, and I would recommend you spending your money on it, girls. It saves you so much time. Not only does it wash it, but it dries it as well. I mean, what more could you ask for? I would normally have to dedicate a day to washing my brushes because of how long it takes, and I'd have to wash it really far in advance before I want to use it, because I know that it takes forever to dry. But with this STYLPRO, girls, life changer right here. You don't have to worry about planning far ahead. If you want to clean your brushes that day, clean your brushes that day, because not only will they be clean that day, they will be dried that day as well. So I would totally recommend this. I don't remember how much it retails at. I think my partner must have paid a little under £40 for it, so it's cheap as well. I think that's quite cheap for what it does. I wish they gave you a bottle of the makeup cleanser, because it would just make you a little bit easier rather than having to go out and buy that. I don't know how much that costs. I haven't checked out the price for the cleanser by itself. I'm hoping it's not expensive, because a sister ain't got money. So I'm hoping it isn't too expensive, but it's so worth the money, guys. So if you have the money to spend on a brush cleaner, then definitely buy this, because you won't regret it. You won't regret it. So that's the end of that video, guys. If you enjoyed my video, then give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you enjoy it. And also, if you're one of those people that hates the long process of washing and waiting for it to dry, then also give me a thumbs up as well, because we are in this together and we have got a solution. We have got a solution for that problem. So yeah, I will see you in my next video, and Happy New Year once again. I hope you have an amazing 2018.